I will show you the how it affects
Spoil the oil, huh?
this vinegar, color vinegar.
Okay, you explain it.
As you can see, the oil is less dense, that's why it's coating over vinegar. I will put the oil.
No, you will spoil, huh?
No, no, no. Now it will be accompanied by some basic chemical reaction that is between the baking soda and vinegar. The motto of this experiment is to make study more fun and to create visually appealing displays that can captivate the learners' interest and their attention.
Yes.
This was the lava effect.
Yeah, totally.
In a very easy way, the materials are found in like oil and